In this video, we review eToro versus Robinhood. Have you used eToro or Robinhood before? What was your experience? Leave your eToro or Robinhood review in the comments section below. eToro and Robinhood are two of the most talked about investment platforms in recent years, each offering distinct features and targeting slightly different audiences. Despite both platforms catering to beginner and intermediate investors, they have unique advantages, disadvantages, and reputations. Understanding how each compares can help investors make informed decisions about where to allocate their capital. Did you know that eToro, originally founded in 2007, operates in over 140 countries and is a leader in social trading? In comparison, Robinhood, founded in 2013, has amassed over 22 million users in the US alone, with over $200 billion in assets under management as of 2024. These statistics reflect their rapid growth and the increasing appeal of commission-free trading platforms, though the underlying models and customer experiences vary significantly. eToro is widely known for its social trading features, which allow users to engage in a community-driven experience. Investors can follow and copy the trades of more experienced traders through a feature called copy trading. This functionality is a major draw for beginners looking to learn by watching others, as it enables users to replicate strategies used by successful investors. On top of that, eToro offers a diverse range of investment options, from stocks and ETFs to cryptocurrencies, commodities, and even fractional shares. The platform's international presence is also a key strength, as it allows global access to diverse markets and assets. eToro also has the added benefit of a more robust, beginner-friendly interface with educational tools that support investors' learning curves. However, eToro's spreads, or the difference between the buying and selling price of assets, can be significantly higher compared to Robinhood, especially in crypto and less liquid markets. On the other hand, Robinhood has carved out a niche as a no-frills, commission-free trading platform that simplifies investing for US-based users. It became popular for democratizing finance by offering commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, and options, removing barriers to entry for retail investors. The platform's minimalist design appeals to users who want a straightforward trading experience with no distractions. Robinhood's biggest strength lies in its ease of use, particularly for first-time investors who appreciate its clean and simple interface. In addition, the ability to trade cryptocurrencies on the platform without commissions is a major draw for crypto enthusiasts. Robinhood also offers fractional shares, allowing users to invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla for as little as $1, making high-value assets more accessible. However, Robinhood does have its drawbacks. Despite being a leader in commission-free trading, the platform makes money through payment for order flow, which some critics argue could lead to potential conflicts of interest. The service also lacks many of the advanced tools and research capabilities that platforms like eToro and traditional brokerages provide. Users looking for deep analytical tools or a wealth of educational resources may find Robinhood lacking. Additionally, Robinhood's customer service has faced significant criticism, especially after its role in the 2021 GameStop short squeeze incident. Users complained about the difficulty in contacting support during high-traffic events, which led to a tarnished reputation in some circles. Both platforms have faced scrutiny for their impact on retail investing behavior. Robinhood's commission-free structure has been linked to the rise of speculative trading, including the popularization of meme stocks, options trading, and cryptocurrency speculation. eToro's social trading features have similarly been criticized for encouraging mimicry over independent research, possibly fostering a herd mentality among users. While these platforms may serve beginner investors well, those with more experience may feel limited by their lack of in-depth research tools and advanced trading features. In conclusion, choosing between eToro and Robinhood depends on the investor's needs. eToro is better suited for individuals looking for a wide range of assets and a community-driven investment experience, while Robinhood is a great choice for those seeking a simple, no-frills platform for trading US stocks, options, and crypto. However, both platforms have their flaws, with eToro's higher fees and Robinhood's customer service and ethical concerns potentially making users hesitate before committing fully to either platform.